I just got caught in a very bad snowstorm. Guys, okay. There was a really, really bad snowstorm just now. And yes, it's snowy out. Mickey, I'm so sorry. Be right back. We'll get it out there. I heard some thunder. Mickey, I'm having a little snack. I'm gonna Sour Jacks. So good. And that I hate storms like that. It's just like so annoying. And look, you got my hair all soaked. Yeah, that's what you get for walking home in that freezing cold weather. With your toes numb. No, seriously. Your toes numb. Your fingers numb. This poor homeless kid.